Age verification laws are starting to shake the open source world, and Linux distributions are now being forced to respond. Some projects are taking a clear stance, while others are staying completely silent. One of the first distributions to openly address the issue is Garuda Linux. Garuda recently released an official statement about age verification laws. The project made its position very clear: it will not implement any age verification system. The reason is simple: Garuda Linux operates in jurisdictions where no such laws exist. According to the statement, Garuda's servers are hosted in Finland and Germany, and its donation funds are held in Germany. Contributors to the project live in different countries and are expected to follow the laws where they personally reside. Because of this, Garuda says it has no legal obligation to comply with laws passed in places like California or Brazil. The team even addressed what would happen if authorities from those regions object. Their response was straightforward: those governments are free to block access to the Garuda Linux website in their own regions, but Garuda itself will not enforce those restrictions. However, the developers also highlighted a bigger problem. Many Linux distribution maintainers are volunteers working in their spare time. Despite this, they could face serious legal consequences if courts demand compliance with these laws. Developers could be exposed to massive fines or even jail time if they refuse to follow legal orders. At the same time, community tensions are rising. Some developers have already been personally attacked online for how their projects are responding to age verification laws. The Garuda team emphasized that the anger from the community is real, but it may be directed at the wrong target. Instead of blaming open source developers, they argue that pressure should be directed toward the politicians and organizations pushing these regulations. While Garuda has taken a clear stance, the situation around Arch Linux is much less clear. Arch Linux has not announced any official position on age verification laws. Instead, many users have noticed that discussions about the topic are being removed from the official Arch forums. Moderators explained that the posts were deleted because speculation about legal issues could spiral out of control and create unproductive debates. They also stated that the forum is not the place where official decisions will be announced, and that the people responsible for those decisions are not active there. Meanwhile, another project in the Arch ecosystem has already taken action. Arch Linux 32, a fork that maintains support for older 32-bit systems, has blocked access for users in Brazil due to the country's digital ECA law, which took effect in March 2026. These developments show how complicated the situation has become. Open source projects are now navigating legal risks, community pressure, and global regulations that may not even apply to them directly. Instead of improving safety, these laws are creating confusion within open source communities. Some projects are blocking entire countries, developers are facing backlash from users, and major distributions like Arch Linux are choosing to avoid public discussion entirely. For legislation that was supposed to protect children, the result so far has been widespread disruption across the Linux ecosystem.